Welcome to the channel, viewers and subscribers. My name is Kirk, and today guys we are working on this 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. We removed the front evaporator core, and we also removing the rear evaporator core. So basically guys, we are doing evaporator core replacement, and as you see, we remove some of the stuff them in the vehicle. And guys, this is the dashboard here, glove compartment. This is the front evaporator core housing, thermostat. So guys, as you see, the wall works going on. It's a drain hose over here guys. So guys, I'm also going to show you the front evaporator core that we removed so far. So guys, to remove the core, we have to remove the cover here for the wiper motor. So guys, remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the post notification bell so you always be notified every time we drop a new video.
My camera looks clean. Whoa! And that's that. Screwdriver.
So guys, this is the old evaporator core for the front AC. It's leaking somewhere here, and we pressure test it. Don't forget guys to like this video, support the channel guys. Take a lot of work to show you guys what's going on. You finish of it, pull out, you go straight right out now.
Pull the pipe.
Alright. So, Abel, what you doing now? Pulling the two pipes? Okay, so guys, you pull in the two pipes, the high side and low side pipes that connect to the AC evaporator core, so we can pull everything out. So this is the blow motor fan here guys. Speed resistor here. drain hose. See you? No. So guys, remember to subscribe if it's your first time on this channel, especially if it's your first time on this channel, because we have a lot more video to upload, and also you don't want to miss part 2 on this vehicle.
It's stuck. Let me see inside. And that is it, guys.
And this is it. Evaporator core out. So guys, subscribe for part 2. Subscribe. Don't want to miss it. The link will be in the description, so you can just go on the link, click on it, and it brings you straight to part 2.